Alright guys, so here I got the wings, some fried wings, Cajun style. That hot sauce, that Dollarama. And they would say, you know, it's a level 4 out of 5. That's how hot it is. Nice Cajun wing and hot sauce. Ooh. Some people only put like a dab or two. Listen, man, if your wing ain't got sauce like that all over it, dripping, then you ain't really having no hot sauce. Cheers. I'm gonna have a little bit more. That's how much I enjoy the sauce. And one for $1, I'm not gonna lie, you can't go wrong. Dollarama hot sauce is made by habanero peppers. You know, it's a little runny. Like I said, for me, when it comes to hot sauce, I like a little more chunkiness. Presentation, I love it. Out of 10, I give it a... Yeah, it's a little spicy. But that's good, that's what you want, it's hot sauce, right?